Hey, so what's up guys? So today I'm going to change out the turn signal stock on my 1977 Porsche 911. Alright, so I got a bad turn signal stock. If you're ever going down the road and just hit some bumps, you can see like it just barely touch it and it goes crazy. So yeah, it's annoying. You can see there's full actuation. And this is just little bumps and stuff and flashes. So yeah, let's go ahead and change it. Alright, so what I'll do is just turn the wheel sideways like this and just kind of pop it off. And that's the horn button right there. So as you can see, there's the big nut that holds it on. I think it's 27 millimeter. What we'll do is we'll mark it, pop the nut off, and take the whole steering wheel off. All right, got a 27 millimeter nut, little impact action. Go ahead and pop that thing loose. Oops. And there we go. Little magnet. Take the washer off. So what I'll do is get a little paint marker. There's already a line in there, so I'm just gonna it is. So just put a little mark here and right here to line up. Now you just remove the steering wheel, just like such. All right, there's some screws we got to remove now. 1, 2, 3, 4 to get the cover off. So we'll pop them out. All right, so I got the 2 screws out that were holding us. Now there's a screw down here, another one down here. All right, last but not least, there's a screw on the side here and one on the other side. See how it comes off. Drops down. And just slides back. All right, in order to get the stock out, we'll just take the 2 screws out that are holding it in. All right, to get the stock out, there's a wire back here, one of the big power wires. Just kind of, you're gonna have to manipulate it, maybe pull, give yourself some slack on it. And then there you go. Just pull it out. All right, so now we'll follow the wires under the dash here. So here's one of them. And then the other one's right. Here, you know what I'll probably do is just pull the light switch and just go ahead and wire it up that way. Now here is the light switch, and the easiest thing to do is just unplug the wires and just one for one swap them. I guess I should let you guys know I've never done this one of these before, so if you're a first timer, so am I. There we go. And since I'm a first timer, I'm just going to mark where they came from. So I just put a 1 on that. And I know this was the 1. So I'll just come over to here, just throw a 1 on there. So I know those 2 wires will go together. And then we will figure out where, so that's this stock. There we go. Kind of a pain. So we got the first one out. Now let's work on the second one. All right, then the next wire is connected. It's going to be, next one will be this one here, which is right there. So I'll put a 0 on there, 0 on there, and I'll just write a 0 on this one. Just like that. And then there's these 4 wires. So what I'm going to do now is just fish this one down in here so that way I can start wiring it, swapping it over. So just like that. I'll just kind of let it chill right there. First one I'll put in is a 0. Let's see. Then we have a red and white, a black and white, a red and gray, and then just a gray. Alright, so the first one I'll pop off this red and gray. Black and gray. And then black and white. And then red and black. Alright, so that is free. There's a jumper wire on here, you'll notice. They must be powering up gauges over here or something. So I'll just transfer that one over to the red-gray. Alright, well I got that all on. Let's go ahead and fish this out. Alright, there's the old one. So, let's get the new wire all the way in. Then we got to connect this to that one I labeled up 1. And here's the horn. And we should be golden. Got to kind of reach back in here to get it all through. Alright, so we're getting there. Alright, then we just got to connect that. And then for proper orientation, that's for the ignition stalk. The ignition module plugs into this one right here. And this one is a wiring harness for the other stalk. So, left side of the steering wheel, right side of the steering wheel, ignition. And there you have it. So now let's go ahead and put the light switch back in. There. Cool. And next we'll go ahead and screw that in. Alright, let's put the stock bolts back in. Alright, let's put this on next. Remember, it kind of slid back in there pretty tight on the top. Actually, that wasn't bad. We'll put the horn bolts back in. And the horn wire route from up in the back here. And this one, just like such. Bolt here, bolt there, bolt there. I'll take the ground wire, make sure that it's down in here. It was underneath here. All right, last but not least, last one. All right, now we'll grab the steering wheel and line up our marks. Put the washer on. Put the nut on. All right, now we'll torque it 36 pound-feet. All right, and connect the horn. There we have it. All right, let's test it out. No shakies. Traction signal works. Works on that side. So that's a good fix. All right, guys, that concludes my video of changing out the turn signal stock. I hope it was helpful. I really appreciate you sticking around and watching. Catch you again on the next one. Later.